Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you access Analytic in Twitch. In order to access Analytic on Twitch, you could follow these steps. First of all, you need to use the browser version. So type in twitchtv.com and log into your account. So once you're logged into your Twitch account, you want to click on the profile initials from the top right corner of your screen. So when you click on the profile initials, you then need to go ahead and locate, click on the profile initials and then click on creator dashboard. So click that out, it's going to take you to this field. Here what you need to do is from the creator dashboard, you simply want to navigate to the left side and click on the analytical tab. So here you have these analytical tabs, so you could just click on it in order to expand, or just tap on the menu bar in order to show the navigations or the home page. And over here you should be able to find the analytics, so you could just go ahead and click on it accordingly. You could find it, so and that is how you'll be able to access your analytic on Twitch TV. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.